You may please. Good
President Vice Governor Agnes Magpale, Bacod Founding Member Joseph Ace Durano,
Bacod Founding Member
Emeritus Nito Durano to join the President.
Senator Franklin Drilon, LP spokesperson.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me.
I shall serve the people
To the Liberal Party
through the Liberal Party
without reservation.
without reservation.
So help me God.
So help me.
As for the new addition to the Liberal Party,
Lahat. Senator Franklin Drilon, Secretary Maroa, Secretary Jess Robredo, Secretary Butchabad, Secretary Rene Almendras, Representative Red Durano, Vice Governor Agnes Magpale, of course our host, Vice Mayor Ramon Nito Durano. Tunay na kaginawahan ng nagkakaisang bayan laban sa katiwalian, kahirapan at kawalang katarungan. Ngayon, pinagtibay natin ang ating pangako ng kaunlaran at kaginawahan at sinasabi sa ating mga boss, hindi na muling mananaig ang kawalang katarungan at katiwalian laban sa demokrasya at katotohanan. Ang ating pong pangako, malawakang kaunlaran ang bunga ng mabuti at malikhaing pamamahala. Ang mga walang patid yung pagtutroso.
Thank you, Mr. President.